She was 67. 4 years of waking up exhausted before the day even started. Stiff, bloated, drained by noon. Her doctor kept saying the same thing, "Your blood work looks fine." But Margaret didn't feel fine. Then one summer, almost by accident, she started eating 3 specific fruits every single morning. Just that. Nothing else changed. 8 weeks later, her own daughter stopped her mid-conversation. "Mom, you seem different." And here's the part that really matters. Margaret hadn't even noticed the shift herself. It had happened that gradually, that quietly, that real. Now stay with me, because what I'm about to share isn't a miracle story. It's actually backed by researchers at Tufts University, the Mayo Clinic, and the University of Oslo. And when you hear the third fruit on this list, most people genuinely don't see it coming. If this kind of video helps you, drop a 1 in the comments below right now. I read every single one personally. And if you want more real research-backed content like this, hit subscribe. It genuinely keeps this channel alive. After 60, your body's repair system slows down. Inflammation builds faster. Digestion weakens. Sleep quietly breaks apart, and most people just call it aging. But here's what the research actually says. Certain natural compounds inside specific everyday fruits can directly support those exact processes, not as medicine, as daily cellular conversation, the kind your body already understands. Just 3 fruits. That's all we're talking about. The first one is blueberries. And yes, you've heard this before, but stay with me, because what researchers at Tufts actually found goes way beyond antioxidants. A compound in blueberries called pterostilbene, think of it like a smarter, longer-lasting cousin of resveratrol, has been studied for its potential to support brain cell communication as we age. In plain terms, sharper recall, faster mental response. The kind of mental clarity that starts slipping quietly in your 60s without you fully noticing until it's gone. A small handful a day. Fresh or frozen, the research shows frozen blueberries retain their compounds just as well, sometimes better. Now the second one. This genuinely surprised me the first time I read the study. This second one is kiwi. Adults over 60 who ate just 2 kiwis each evening fell asleep faster, slept longer, and woke up genuinely more rested. The reason connects to natural serotonin compounds inside the fruit, quietly supporting your body's own sleep signals. 2 kiwis. Evening. Done. Now, or list third one. This is one of the most people overlook entirely. Papaya. It contains a natural enzyme called papain, and if you've ever eaten papaya and felt your digestion just settle, that's exactly why. Research suggests it may reduce that heavy, bloated feeling after meals that so many people over 60 struggle with daily. But here's where it all connects. Better digestion means better nutrient absorption. Better absorption means deeper sleep. Deeper sleep means more energy. More energy means your body finally starts feeling like yours again. Blueberries, kiwi, papaya. This 3 fruits, 1 daily habit, decades of research quietly standing behind it. If you're on any medication or managing a health condition, a quick word with your doctor before changing your diet is always the smart move. Always, next time. A 60-second foot soak that researchers now suggest may help your body release deep tension and dramatically improve sleep quality after 60. The science behind it goes back centuries, but what modern researchers discovered about why it actually works genuinely stopped me mid-read. That video is already waiting for you. If today gave you something real, drop that 1 below. Like this video, and subscribe if you haven't yet, because the next one might be the one that actually changes your mornings. See you there. Thanks for watching.